Hello. So I'm back on the Bronco. It's been having some idle issues, blah blah blah. Anyway, I put a tester on it and it showed that the O2 sensor was having an issue, and also the torque converter lock solenoid or something. I gotta look that up still, but right now I'm gonna do the O2 sensor because yeah. And as you can see, I got a pair of shades. They're not actually shades, they're actually transitions, but it's got a camera right here, so hopefully you can see everything that I'm looking at. So here we go. Alright, so we got O2 sensor, AutoZone special, Bosch. Paid the extra for Bosch, not Duralast. Bosch makes good stuff. They make a lot of good German parts. So this is the kind I need, a 4-wire with a round plug. Oh, 4-wire with the round plug. So I'm gonna get the oh, it's even got some stuff on there for the threads. That's cool. I'm gonna get the right wrench for this. What size is that, you think? 20? 19? Try 19. Nope, bigger than that. (13/16). Oh, next size up. What's bigger than 13/16? 14 to 7/8. Probably don't have it. Oh, there's another thing on my list I need to get. Ooh. This gotta move somewhere else. Can't use a socket, so the old universal wrench. So we go. All right. There she is. Plug, sensor, right where the exhausts come together. Let's see if I can get this loose. Righty tighty, loosey, even on the other side of the world. So, oh shit. Okay, this might. Oh, you sucker! Woo! Yep. Ooh. I mean, it doesn't look bad, but fuck it. This cord is a little bit longer too. Yeah. Let's see. Alright. Yep. I really hope you guys are seeing everything I'm seeing. So, okay. It's on there. 4-prong only goes one way. Boom. Just like that. Easy peasy. So I'm hoping that there isn't like a setting or I gotta reset stuff. It's just gonna start doing its thing. So hopefully it just does that. But oh, it's a Bosch. The one I pulled out is a Bosch. Made Ford. It's got a Ford Bosch. It actually looks like it's messed up because it's like coming apart right here. See that? Leaning tower of wires here. Oh yeah, this thing's corroded like hell. Look. I mean, I don't think that matters too much, but that's metal coming off of there. Yeah. It's drunk. There we go. Yeah, fucking metal deteriorated right there. So hopefully that fixed our one issue. So maybe it'll drive good enough. I can send it to the alignment shop. Time to start it up, see what it sounds like. Smells good in here. Fix the door handle. Actually, temporarily fixed the plate inside where the whole little mechanism is bolted to. It's all ripped and stuff. So I have to get in there and fix it. So steps. Another thing that I wanted to sort of look at is I ran into the issue with one of my other trucks. Was the distributor, the shaft in the middle, it rotates obviously, was loose, and it was causing the issues with idle, and while you're driving it would act weird and all that stuff. So I'm gonna let this warm up because I haven't ran it in like a week or so. So after it warms up and all that, and you know, I'm gonna shut it off and open that up and see what's going on. If that's the issue, if that is a issue. Okay, now this should be, yeah, it's got cylinder. No big deal. That was the issue too. Is that freaking it was low on coolant. That's why I was getting so warm. Derp. One thing you should have checked before I even bought the thing. I don't think we even looked at it. Just assumed because the guy was a mechanic. That's the worst thing you could do. So mechanics cars, you got to look at them even better because they know how to make things work even though it ain't right. Regular, you know, non-mechanics, not regular people, but non-mechanics, they drive a car, be like, yeah, it runs good. It probably just runs good. Mechanics, yeah, it runs good. Well, what do you got in here that, you know, that ain't right but you made it work? You know, what kind of mechanic are you really? So, also I need to figure out the AC system because it's not kicking on with the switch. Yeah, so I'm gonna let this run. Yeah.
Little gray, gold Honda that's over there. I don't know if you can see the roof of it through the trees.
Uh-huh.
Right there, they're sitting in there. Dude, go scare them. Go.
That's right. Checking the oil.
That dipstick even sucks.
Well, at least it's up high enough.
True.
It's not hiding on the side of the freaking thing.
How far is the it shouldn't be that far down.
That's pretty good.
For the fucking even dipstick to be that low.
So the transmission is behind the motor, right?
Well, yeah.
I need a stool. Damn it. Freaking.
You got stuff up your pants?
Yeah, well, these pants don't like staying up. And I was like shimmying to that spot. It's all down my pants.
I'll leave it right down here.
I think even just like this piece of wood right here would be good. Just stand on.
Just like 4 inches.
Yep, that's all I need. What's the what? Thunderbird. It's a one I got from Pick and Pull with like 8 other ones.
For the same model?
Yep. I saw them at Pick and Pull. I was like, what the fuck?
Oh my god, go!
I know what that goes to. There's like 8 of them in the back of this truck. I was like, what the hell's going on here? So I had to go and get them. They're gonna scrap them. Like, no, man. Granted, like, there's only 3 years of Thunderbird that use those bumpers, but somebody's gonna want them. Even for wall art or something. $100. Hopefully. Dang, that's all.
You better be walking her
I
fat ass
don't know
over
if
here.
I might get in there. Definitely not gonna be able to get it back on.
I didn't walk up to the car, I walked on the other side of the car next to it. I was like, Birdie,
Dang it.
it's time to go. She's like, okay. Hasn't gotten out of the car.
I could have sworn I had like a railroad tie. But whatever.
Get in there, Dad. It's hot today.
I know, it's nice.
Yeah.
Oh, it's way on the side over here. Oh my God. There it is. Ow. There we go. Hiya. Alright. Cap off. Looks okay. All this stuff is hella in the way. Can't see nothing. That's curious. Dang it. I need something better to stand on. You got nothing. Oh, you know what? I can make something like a step that goes in that receiver right there. Yeah. That's right. I'm gonna make something. I don't want to do all that. It's getting crazy. I'm gonna make something that goes in here where I can step on there and get all up in here.
What do you need to get? I was like, I can step on the tire.
I just wanted to get in here and see if this wiggles. Nope, it's not wiggling. That's good news. That's even better news that it only goes on one way. Uh-oh. Get on there. Now the back one is going to be tricky. Oh,
Do you think I could reach it?
I don't know. Maybe. Not from that side.
From the other side?
Yeah.
Where is it?
So can you see this clip right here?
Yeah.
There's one on the other side.
Okay. Pray for me.
Good luck.
For my... Clip on the other side?
Yep.
Oh shit, I almost slipped.
Feel it?
Yeah. What am I doing?
You got to click it back on. So you kind of have to get down to like the middle of it.
Oh, it's like rusted away. What are you talking about? You feel it?
Yep. Ooh, that's hot. Okay. Thanks for your help.
Yeah. Hey, I held down whatever this is. Oh shit. Pray for me.
Alright, well, I guess that's good news that wasn't loose or nothing. I guess I could take a drive, test drive it, see if it drives any.
Drive past and honk at her.
Drives weird. I gotta put all my stuff away first. So I'm gonna go drive by Grandpa's and check out that car.